opening number pa lang, hiyawan na ang mga manonood sa Coronation Night ng Limgas na Pangasinan 2025 noong Biyernes, ika-25 ng Abril. Kasabay nito ang paglabas ng 21 kandidata na all smile and empowered sa kanilang opening number.
Pangasinan, ang ganda mo, Pangasinan, o nagpintas. Pangasinan, ang galing mo, Pangasinan, aming Limgas.
Nagsimulang mag-init ang kompetisyon sa paglabas ng mga kandidata, suot ang kanilang swimsuit. Sumabak din ang 21 kandidata sa unang round ng question and answer portion.
Here's your question. Do you believe that our life's purpose is something we discover over time or something we create through the choices we make each day?
Do you think beauty pageants empower women or objectify women?
What characteristics of a leader would you like to remind the people to consider when choosing?
Dito, itinanong ang kanilang layunin sa buhay, women empowerment, eleksyon at iba pa.
I believe that every life has a purpose and everyone deserves to be seen as equal. At the end of the day, we are all human beings and we deserve the right to live an equal and fair life.
I believe that beauty pageant empowered women. I have a breast lumps and I am empowered by a woman here in Limgas ng Pangasinan.
I do believe that as the election is approaching, we all must look for a leader who has the heart of compassion to spread kindness and an integrity to stand for what is right. That is why I encourage everyone to vote wisely.
With poise and grace namang inilakad ng mga kandidata ang mga gown na dinisenyo ng mga Pangasinan designers. Kinilala naman ni Pangasinan Governor Ramon B. Gico III ang sakripisyo ng bawat kandidata.
As your father of the province, I am very proud of what you have accomplished. It is not easy to be undergoing in so many trainings, Q&A training, yung inyo pong paglalakad, personality development, etc. and etc. Hindi po madali yun. At alam nyo po, you are vying for one crown. And there are 21 of you and only one will be crowned 2025 Limgas na Pangasinan. But for me and for many of us, especially our supporters and our fellow Pangasinenses, you are all winners tonight. So,
Tinanghal best in swimsuit si Limgas sa Lingayen. Nakuha naman ni Limgas sa San Carlos City ang best in evening gown. Napakapit naman sa upuan ng mga manonood nang i-anunsyo na ang top 5. Pasok sa top 5. Si Limgas sa Asinggan. Pasok din si Limgas sa Suwat. Hindi rin nagpahuli si Limgas sa Lingayen. Pang-apat na tinawag si Limgas sa Santa Barbara. At Limgas sa Kalasyaw naman ang kumumpleto sa listahan.
In an era where digital innovation is rapidly transforming societies, how can we leverage technology to preserve and promote the Pangasinan language and its rich cultural tradition?
Dito na sila humarap sa final question and answer.
I believe that a way that we can preserve our Pangasinan tradition and our Pangasinan language and culture is by cultivating and participating on traditions and festivals that we have here on our province.
Itinanong sa kanila kung paano makakatulong ang impluwensya ng teknolohiya sa preserbasyon at pagpapakilala ng lengguwaheng Pangasinan, kaakibat ang mayaman nitong tradisyon.
That I have been brave enough and never let my fears stop me from trying. I want to encourage them that never dim their light, to act and think out of the box, and never stop from trying.
By using the power of social media, we can use it to help implement change and also to help promote Pangasinan's rich culture. We have seen throughout the years how Pangasinan continues to be angling and continues to prove how much they would fight for their country. I want it to be known worldwide by blood, We are truly ang ganda at galing. Thank you.
It's by using social media to its powerful tool. As we all know, social media is a powerful tool that we can deliver message to other people. Through social media, we can promote our tourism, heritage sites, the resilience community, and through leadership and agriculture, we really excel in different fields. And through that, we can proudly declare to the world, Pangasinan ang ganda mo, and Pangasinan ang galing mo.
Now that we are in this technological era, we can use first our social media to use that platform to promote Pangasinan for its rich cultural heritage. First, I will gladly promote the Banaan Museum and encourage everyone to also visit Banaan Museum because that is where the roots of being a Pangasinense represents. Thank you.
Well, technology is an amazing tool. Let's not make it a replacement for our humanity. Let's make it a tool to preserve us Pangasinenses. We are resilient and grateful. We are not the ones that we should be or get afraid of. I am thankful to be a Pangasinense and I'm proud to be a Pangasinense. We are Pangasinan, ang ganda mo, ang galing. Thank you.
Sa huli, tinanghal na second runner-up si Limgas na Asinggan, Yana Hermaine Mangakong. First runner-up naman ang Limgas sa Suwal na si Alanis Hodge. Limgas sa Pangasinan Mutya naman ang Limgas sa Kalasyaw na si Claire Arwin Kakal. Tinanghal naman na Limgas sa Pangasinan Grand si Limgas sa Pangasinan Santa Barbara, Angelica Joy Flores. At ang itinanghal na Limgas sa Pangasinan World, ang kandidata mula Lingayen, Pangasinan na si Felicity Mamplatan. Ang mga nagwagi, irerepresenta ang probinsya ng Pangasinan sa 3 tanyag at malalaking pageantry sa Pilipinas. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.